I, Akifeza Grace Ngabirano, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God. I, Akifeza Grace Ngabirano, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will give faithful service to this Parliament and support and uphold the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda as by law established. So help me God.
Thank you. Honorable Grace Akifeza, you are most welcome to the 11th Parliament. Can I have some silence? You're most welcome to the 11th Parliament. That's not how we behave. We don't shout always. I think they're only excited seeing you. You're most welcome to 11th Parliament. This is the people-centered Parliament, and where we believe we should take Parliament to the people and bring people to the Parliament of Uganda. I want to urge you to be a servant leader. Serve your people of Kisoro. Start from where the late left, and for you to be effectively perform your duty, here is a constitution for you, the supreme law of the land, and here are the rules of procedure that you'll be using in your day-to-day work. I want to congratulate you for coming to the 11th Parliament. Being an independent member of Parliament, you will sit direct there or on the other side. But since you independent member of Parliament, please, you're my member of Parliament, you're independent, please go and sit in the middle there. Just next to Sechkubo, Honorable Sechkubo. Next to Honorable Sechkubo. Honorable members, pursuant to Rule 1573 and 1582 and Rule 161 of the Rules of Procedure, Akifeza Grace is designated to the Sectoral Committee on Education and Sports and a Standing Committee of Public Accounts, Local Government. Those in favor say and the contrary, nay. The ayes have it. You're duly designated.